If you're looking for a dependable 64GB micro SD card that works seamlessly with dash cams and security cameras, this TIDEFORCIX card delivers exactly that. It's designed to handle high-quality 1080p video and even supports 4K UHD footage without dropping frames. That means your recordings stay smooth and clear, no matter what. This card isn't just for cameras. It fits Android phones, tablets, e-readers, and even car stereos, making it a versatile choice for anyone with multiple devices. Just keep in mind it's not compatible with older digital cameras made before 2015 that only support 32GB SDHC cards. For everything else, it slots in perfectly. Speed matters, especially when you want apps to load faster or need continuous recording on your dashcam. Thanks to its A1 rating, this card boosts app performance on compatible Android devices and gaming consoles. Meanwhile, the Class 10 and U3 V30 ratings guarantee fast read speeds up to 100 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 30 megabytes per second, ideal for smooth 4K video capture and loop recording. Durability is another strong suit here. This micro SD card can handle real-world abuse with ease. It's waterproof, shockproof, magnet-proof, and X-ray proof. Plus, it operates reliably in extreme temperatures from -25°C to 85°C. Whether it's freezing cold outside or a scorching dashboard inside your car, your data stays safe. The package goes beyond just the card. You get a 3-in-1 kit that includes a USB A3.0 reader and an SD adapter. This means transferring files to your PC happens at lightning-fast USB 3.0 speeds, and you can also use the card in devices with standard SD slots like DSLRs or laptops. Just a quick tip: format the card inside your camera or dashcam before first use to avoid memory errors. With this micro SD card, you get reliable storage that keeps up with your busy lifestyle and tech needs. It's a solid investment for anyone who wants hassle-free, high-speed memory that lasts. If that's you, this card is definitely worth a look. Ready to upgrade your storage? This 64GB micro SD card combines speed, durability, and compatibility in one neat package. Try it when you're ready and experience smooth, uninterrupted recording and fast file transfers every time.